Guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video I'm gonna share with you a very basic yet really effective SEO thing to do on your site. So a thing that you do to make your site appears on Google, on Bing, and other search engines. Okay. So normally, if you have made your site with a developer, you should see this when you log in to your WordPress dashboard. To log in on dashboard, all you have to do is enter your domain plus WP admin or WP login into the browser address bar, enter your username and email plus password, scroll down, and you're gonna be able to find at the glance this error right here. Search engines disencouraged. So what does it mean? It means that your site is asking search engines like Google to not index, to not show, to not display, to not rank any content of your site. So even if you are using Yoast SEO or any other plugin to optimize your page, to create really good content, you have followed our guides explaining how to do the SEO optimization, this is a problem. How to fix it? All we have to do, it's simple. Review the WordPress left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over settings and hit the submenu general. Reading. Once right here on reading, scroll down from the reading settings, and the very last option is search engine visibility. This encourages search engines from indexing your site. All we have to do is unmark this option and save changes. This gonna let Google crawlers and other robot crawlers from search engines to index, to find your page, your posts, your products, and display on relevant search results. After this, of course, you may need to install an SEO plugin, optimize the content to make it search better, and of course create really good content. But this is the very first thing to do, and this is how to fix this annoying error about search engines disencouraged. Okay, make sure that you do this, clear the site cache, and you are good to go. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and don't forget to check out the visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.